I'll show you a quick step-by-step way to fix Outlook authentication failed. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old saved login data often conflicts with Outlook and causes authentication errors. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cached files and cookies. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying Outlook again. If that doesn't work, try opening Outlook in an incognito or private window. This helps you check if the issue is coming from saved data or browser extensions. If Outlook works in private mode, then the problem is most likely your cache or an extension. Next, double-check your password. Make sure Caps Lock is off, and you're using the correct Microsoft account. If needed, reset your password using the official Microsoft recovery page and update it on all devices. Another fix is disabling browser extensions. Some extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or password managers can interfere with Microsoft sign-in pages. Turn them off one by one and refresh Outlook to see if the issue is resolved. In most cases, these steps will fix the Outlook authentication failed error quickly. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.